Ever felt a cold sweat roll down your spine when you realize your accounting software is locked tighter than Fort Knox? You frantically search for that magical unlock button, but it's nowhere to be found. Fear not, fellow financial warriors, because today we unveil the secrets of unlocking Zoho Books. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit. Why would Zoho Books lock you out of your own data in the first place? Well, it's actually a good thing. Zoho employs a security feature called transaction locking to prevent accidental or unauthorized modifications during crucial periods. Imagine finalizing your year-end reports. The last thing you want is someone accidentally adding a stray invoice that throws everything out of whack. Transaction locking is your guardian angel, ensuring the integrity of your financial data. But what if you need to make edits after locking a specific period? Don't worry. Zoho hasn't condemned you to financial data purgatory for eternity. Unlocking is entirely possible, and that's what this video is all about. Here's the key. Unlocking Zoho Books isn't a one-click solution. It depends on the type of lock and the level of access you require. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's explore the two main scenarios you might encounter. You're the boss, or the designated bookkeeper, and need full access. If you're the account administrator or someone with full editing privileges, unlocking Zoho Books is a breeze. Here's how it goes. Navigate to the command center. This is your mission control for all things Zoho Books. Look for the Accountant tab on the left sidebar. Click on it, and a new world of accounting options will unfold. Unlock the vault. Within the Accountant section, you'll find a powerful tool called transaction locking. This is where the magic happens. Click on it and you'll see a list of modules, sales, purchases, and so on that might be currently locked. Pick your weapon. Each module will display a handy lock icon next to it. Click on that icon to unleash the unlocking options. Full Monty or Surgical Strike. Zoho offers you a choice. Complete liberation or a targeted operation. You can choose to unlock the entire module, granting full access to all transactions within that period. But if you only need to edit a specific time frame, say a few days within a locked month, the unlock partially option is your friend. Time travel for accuracy. When opting for partial unlocking, Zoho will ask you to specify the exact date range you need access to. Think of it as a financial time machine. You're going back in time to make those crucial edits without affecting the rest of the locked period. Leave a note for the future. Zoho also encourages you to explain why you're unlocking a specific period. This helps maintain a clear audit trail and prevents confusion for anyone else accessing the books later. Think of it as leaving a breadcrumb trail for your future financial self. Hit the green button. Once you've selected your unlock method, date range, if applicable, and entered a reason, click the glorious Unlock button. And voila! You've breached the Zoho Fortress and regained control of your financial data. Limited access requires collaboration. But what if you're not the account owner and have limited editing rights? In this case, unlocking Zoho Books might require reaching out to your team lead or the account administrator. They'll be able to follow the steps mentioned above and grant you temporary access for specific edits. Remember, communication is key. Briefly explain why you need to unlock a specific section and collaborate to maintain data integrity. Remember, great power requires great responsibility. With great unlocking power comes great responsibility. While Zoho Books offers flexibility, avoid constantly unlocking and relocking modules. This can disrupt the audit trail and make it difficult to track changes. If you foresee needing frequent edits during a locked period, discuss alternative solutions with your team lead or account administrator. There you have it, folks. Unlocking Zoho Books is no longer a mystery. Now you're equipped to navigate those locked periods with confidence and ensure the accuracy of your financial data. So, go forth and conquer your financial world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.